Welcome back to another episode of Bucket List Adventures. Today we're hitting the road for an exciting journey to Melbourne to pick up our brand new caravan. After months of planning and waiting, the big day is finally here. We are on our way to Melbourne and we've gotten out of Adelaide and we've settled into the drive. And I've finally got the little camera going. So this is the start of our journey. We are in the car, we've packed it all up.
Hello.
And welcome to our very first trip over to Melbourne, Shakedown, car updates, photographic equipment updates, new caravan on the way very soon update.
So, Bucket List Adventures version 2. New upgraded stuff.
Yeah, we've changed tack now because lots of our adventures have been
in the past
to places other than like going on the road in Australia. We've been everywhere and lots of places. Which is what we love to do. So now we're starting off on something that we've planned for a long time, and we're
nervous.
Yeah, can you tell?
Yeah.
We've done a few things in between organising to get the caravan, and now that we've got the caravan organised, we're going to pick it up, but we've been on a few other trips. So this is what we're really looking forward to, and this is what we've been seeing other people do and enjoy, so we want to do it as well. Not quite there. We've got to hitch the caravan on Tuesday. We've got to get the car tow ball upgraded, so yeah, more to come. But this is our little trip from Adelaide to Melbourne at the start of the journey. Keep watching. We settle into the drive, it's starting to sink in. This is the beginning of a whole new chapter for us, road trips, off-grid camping and exploring Australia in a way we never have before. It's exciting, a little nerve-wracking, but definitely something we've been dreaming of for a long time. Right now we're just focused on getting to Melbourne, but there's still a lot to do before we can finally hitch up the caravan to hit the road. We'll be sharing the whole experience with you, so stick around, there's plenty more to come. And here it is, the moment we've been waiting for. Seeing our caravan for the first time at the yard was surreal. After all the planning and anticipation, it's finally real. This is our new home on wheels, ready to take us on countless adventures across Australia. We've got the biggest smiles. We can't wait to get hitched up and take it on the road for the very first time. Stepping inside for the first time, it all starts to feel real. This is going to be our home on the road. Compact, comfortable and set up just the way we wanted it.
What you remember?
It's even better. With the van all set up inside, it's time to make it officially ours, getting it hitched up for the very first time. Checking everything carefully, the tow hitch, the electrics and all systems are ready to go. This is a part that's so important and we need to get it right from the start. And here is our new home, on wheels, hitched up, ready to roll. Next stop, our first night on the road. Our very first campground in the caravan. We made it from Melbourne to Lake Lonsdale near Stoll, about 350 kilometres from Melbourne and right on the edge of the stunning Grampians. It's a beautiful spot and we found it thanks to some fellow YouTubers. Plus it's about a third of the way home, making it the perfect stopover. We wanted a nice view and I think we nailed it. The van is pretty level, we've got a great spot and we're figuring things out as we go. Here we are.
Hello.
First stop. Hey, what are you thinking?
I'm trying to get the step out for you, darling.
Step out? I reckon
Here it is here.
I reckon we've stepped over a fairly big hurdle to get here. We've got our seats set up, a great view, and of course some well-earned beverages. I'd say this is a perfect way to celebrate our first night in our new home on wheels. Waking up to this view was pretty special, our first morning in the caravan, and what a peaceful spot to start the day. Time to hit the road again. Today we're making our way to Tailem Bend, which is about 2/3 of the way home. Another big drive ahead, but we're getting into the rhythm of it now. We're taking it nice and easy on the road today. Being our first time towing the caravan, it's all about getting the feel for how it handles, keeping a steady pace and just enjoying the drive. So far, so good. We're settling into the trip, taking in the scenery and getting used to this whole new way of travelling. It's definitely different from our usual adventures, but we're loving it already. After a long steady drive, we've made it to Tailem Bend Caravan Park. So we have arrived in Tailem Bend, actually a really lovely little campground. It's called the Waterfront Campground, and we chickened out and we got a drive-through site, as you can see, but it's so nice. It's got trees, the river's way over there, but yeah, we've been able to pull through in and we've got a great spot. So we're already on a couple of beverages because it's been 40 degrees today. We've been driving since Victoria for 4 hours, and yeah, here it is. This is home tonight. Only for one night. We feel like we've got ourselves sorted out. Tried the new washing machine out and it works a treat. Just going to go check out the view of the river. It's a great little spot. One of the best surprises about this park is the incredible view of the Murray River. From up here on the cliff you get a sweeping panorama of the water winding its way through the landscape. It's absolutely beautiful. After a long hot day on the road, this is the perfect spot to take a breath, soak in the view and appreciate just how far we've come on this trip. There we are, the rig. What do you think?
It's very good. There's
Lonsdale's done a bit of washing on the, what do you call it, the lockdown,
The lockdown?
yeah, the trip, what do you call it? The Shakedown trip. And
Yep.
the washing machine worked well.
Yeah, it did. That's the load in that tiny little washing machine. Pretty good, hey? It was time to fire up the Weber Electric BBQ. Nothing says adventure like a good outdoor meal. It's moments like these that remind us of why we love the road life. The simple pleasures of a perfectly grilled steak under the open sky. This is what the adventure tastes like. With everything packed up, we're back on the road heading home. This trip has been a huge milestone, our first real taste of caravanning life. And as we cruise along, we can't help but think about all the adventures that lie ahead. We've got so much planned. We've learned a lot already about towing, setting up, and just how comfortable life on the road can be. And this is only the beginning. So, how would you rate our Shakedown trip out of 10? For our performance.
Have to give you 10, darling, myself,
Okay, 10 out of 10 for me. 8 out of 10 for you. Is that just because of your hasty pack up of the hoses?
The hoses let me down. I got a bit edgy when we tried to park the first night. And they started pulling off the maybe a couple of talking. I've got to give you 10 because it's a good one too. Well, get back in the box, mate.
Yeah. We liked both the spots we stayed at Lake Lonsdale and at Tailem Bend. We'd go back there again. We thought to start with we'd go for drive through to save the marriage and the hassles of reversing a caravan for the first time.
And the Evercool slide out the bridge.
Oh yes.
Full of cold beers and wine and stuff, that worked a treat.
Yeah, we'll have to go through and show you the couple of extra little features that we've added. The Evercool slide out fridge is very good in the van, and it maintains its cold even though it was 40 degrees yesterday. It actually performed pretty well. So yeah, the barbecue is a great barbecue. Even though it's electric, it actually worked beautifully, didn't it? And this is where we leave you for this episode. It's been an incredible journey, picking up our new caravan, learning the ropes and getting a taste of what's to come. But this is just the beginning. We're so excited for the adventures ahead and we can't wait to take you along for the ride. In the next episode, we'll be putting the caravan through its paces and exploring new places. If you've enjoyed the journey with us, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out what's next. We'll see you in the next adventure. Thanks so much for watching this time. Keep watching for more adventures from us.